The housing revolution here in Dominica is making significant headway, with residents already moved into the Platte-Matcare community and work continuing in Bellevue-Chopin. And with an update on the Bellevue project, here's Shana Espri-Peltier.
The Bellevue-Chopin Modern House Development Project in Dominica has now entered an exciting stage where visitors and the intended residents can see real tangible progress being made, with new structures rising from the ground, and at last start to imagine that the dream of having a new permanent residence is taking on a solid form. Funded entirely through the efforts of Montreal Management Consultants Establishment, MMCE, the 340-home Bellevue-Chopin development, part of the Petite Savane Resettlement Program in Dominica, is a groundbreaking scheme to rehouse residents displaced by Tropical Storm Erika in 2015 and represents a model for future housing and infrastructure projects in the country. The project is being financed by Dominica's Citizenship by Investment program and is likely to be the first in a series of new housing programs announced by the Dominica government to be funded in this way. According to Dr. Anthony Hayden, CEO of MMCE, the role of the various government departments cannot be underestimated in helping achieve the present momentum that the project is now carrying, and without the non-stop help and assistance from ministers, the permanent secretaries and their senior staff in providing help and advice in dealing with the various challenges, we would not be as far as we are presently. Due to the efforts of all the contractors on site, both local and international, we have been in a new position to bring changes to the intended handover sequence of the project and are now concentrating our resources on being able to hand over in excess of 200 new homes at the start of 2018, as opposed to the 155 originally proposed, along with a shopping and office complex, community center, purpose-designed farmers market, multi-purpose playing field incorporating a FIFA-sized pitch, and a new standalone basketball court, said project manager Christopher Timmins. Within the first release of new homes, there will be an entire spectrum of homes available, from 2-bedroom condominiums to 4-bedroom detached houses. The remaining 140 homes will be completed for the end of June 2018. However, the initial completion will be sufficient to accommodate the vast majority of residents from Petite Savane who were unfortunate to lose their homes as a result of Tropical Storm Erika. Timmins noted the project has not been without its challenges to date, and other challenges to be overcome are the availability of building materials in the local market, along with the apparent insatiable demand for cement that seems to exist island-wide at the moment, which has required Argos to increase their boat deliveries to Dominica to meet the challenge. In order to achieve the aims of the project, it will require a concerted effort from the contractors, suppliers, utility companies, and an ability of the local construction industry professionals to be able to supply the required numbers of suitable qualified expert tradesmen to provide the level of workmanship and therefore the high quality of the buildings we intend to be able to provide to the future residents. We, however, have confidence that there is a willingness and desire by all involved to assist us in achieving the hopes and needs of the future residents, Timmins said. Shana Espri-Peltier, CBN 4 News.